Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the second part of the glimpses of India. Kurg. Kurg. This lesson has been written by Lokesh Abral. First of all, I am going to explain something about Lokesh Abral. Lokesh Abral is an independent medical professional, travel writers and photographers. Lokesh Abral's goal is to promote nature and heritage education and help by spreading knowledge, awareness, pride and love for all that is beautiful in the inner world. He is a travel writer, especially of nature heritage of India and her neighborhood. His articles and pictures have been published in Outlook Travelers, Jetwings, Swagat, Discover India, Srishti, Incredible India, Tasi, Dilik, that is in Bhutan. Now, the lesson Kurg. This is the part of Kodagu, the state of Karnataka. This is a short place, but this place is famous for coffee, rainforest, and also for spices. Here, the men known as brave, they were good in fighting, and also the women are very so beautiful, and the people of this area are called Kurd. So now look the lines of this lesson. Here, midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven. Here writers say a piece of heaven that must have drifted from. Drifted, it means been carried along gently by the air from the kingdom of God. It means here, writer explained about Kurg. Kurg is the place which has been bring out by the heaven of the God. It means in the form of nature, natural beauty. This place is so beautiful. Especially the writer impressed with that place. That is why the writer called it that this place is really a part of the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited. Here meaning inhabited means occupied or resident by a proud race of martial men. Martial man, it means having with war. It means brave man. You can call it brave man. Beautiful women and wild creatures. Here in this line, writer explain about these areas. This area is really occupied by the rolling hills, and the men who live in these areas, those are very brave, and the writer also said something about the women who live here, very beautiful, and also this area was full of wild creatures. Here in the first paragraph, the writer explained about the beauty of Kurg and the people and the mountain hill areas as well as the beautiful women. Now look the second paragraph. Coorg or Kodagu. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. In Karnataka state, Coorg or Kodagu is the smallest district. Is home to evergreen forest, red forest. This area is known, or we can say this area is the home of evergreen forest. Spices and coffee plants. It means this area is famous for evergreen forest, spices and coffee plant. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. It means the total occupied place of this district, 30% area is covered with evergreen forest. During the monsoon, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. It is very difficult to go in Kodagu in the rainy season, because in the rainy season there are heavy rainfalls. That is why this area is keep away from the visitor. The seasons of joy commence from is start from September and continue till March. The pleasant time of this area to move or to work is the month of September. It means if you want to watch this area, you can enjoy from September till March. During this season, the weather is perfect, with some showers throughout is in for good measure. During this season, this area is good. A light rainfall may be come. The air breath of invigorating coffee. Invigorating, it means to give energy. It means during this season we can enjoy the taste of coffee, which provides us much energy. Coffee estates and colonies bungalows stand tucked under the tree canopy in prime corner. In the rich corner of the trees, the people just made their bungalows and colonies. They lived with their coffee estate. From there, they took care their coffee farms, and as well as they enjoy the scene of those beautiful land. Now here, look the third paragraph. The falsely means violent, independent people of Coorg, or possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Descent means generation. Here, writer tells us about the history of Coorg. According to the writer, these brave people of Coorg who fought for independence was basically think that they are the generation of Greek or Arabic ancestor. As one story goes, a part of Alexander Armies moved south along the coast and settled here. When return became impractical, it means impossible. When Alexander decided to go back, At that time, many fighters who started their returning journey was unable to walk more when they thought that it is not possible to go back, then they decided to live there permanently. And that is why those people live there in that particular areas and being a part of our countries, but their tradition, their cultures, their living structure, everything shows that they belong from Greek or Arabic generation. These people married among the locals and their culture is apparent. Apparent means obvious. Obvious or clearly कह सकते हो in the martial tradition. These peoples who lived in that particular area, they started to marry with the local people, and slowly they started to take their religion, and in this way their religious systems and other things, as we can say that martyr tradition, marriage, religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. It means the culture, the religion, the marriage and other things which has been performed by the poor, those are basically different from the Hinduism, because they only married with their local body. That is why their connectivity with the people of our countries are not much. That is why they are different from the culture of Hinduism. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long. The theory of Arab origin, it means draw support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodawas known as kopia. It means those living condition are the dress code. Their dress code different them from our countries because they were black long coat which has been embroidered with the waist belt, or those are resembles like the kofia. Those belong from Arab art and the code. That is why the people who lived in these areas, those are supported and admitted that they are belong to the Arab generation. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Hospitality means welcoming the guest. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of failures related to their sons and father. Tales of wonders, stories of courage and bravery. Here, in this paragraph, writer just told us about the tradition and culture of Kurg. By nature, Kurg are happy. They always ready to welcome their guest. They happy with their guest. They provides every facilities to their guest. And also the other things which has been told by the writer that they like to listen the stories of courage and bravery of their ancestors. They like to tell those brave stories of the ancestor to their sons. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in Indian army. Here, writer said that the Kurg are brave. They are known for their bravery. They fought very boldly to enemies. That is why in our countries a regiment which has been known as Kurg regiment. That regiment has been highly decorated and famous for their bravery and for their respects. And also the first chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. Here I just tell us that the first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was also a Kurg. Even now, Kodawas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Here writer said that Kodawas are the Kurg. This person have right to get any firearms without any license as the Sikh carried their arms. So, dear students, here you can read the brave story of the Kurg, and also the writer told about the culture, traditions, and the place where lived. Those places are very beautiful. Those places are very beautiful. That is why the writer told us that this place must be bring out from the kingdom of God. And also the writer told us about the women's, the men. Those are very brave, very beautiful, and their stories, their bravery known by the peoples and learned by the childrens, their marriage traditions, they married among the locals, their traditions, their religions, everything are different from Hinduism mainstream. That is why the writer said that their living structure and other things prove that they are the origin of Arab. Dear student, now I have completed this video today, and tomorrow I will discuss the next part of the lesson, paragraph number 3. Okay, thanks.